Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare interactive brokers and WEBULL. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about if they have an inactivity fee or withdrawal fee, what kind of markets and products they offer, then account opening if it's simple or no. Then I will talk about how is the feeling of using their applications and their trading apps. Now then I will talk about safety of both of these brokers and customer service. So let's just start. But before we start, what if someone would come to me on the street and would say, Marcus, tell me, which broker is better, in what way is it better, and tell me in 30 seconds. So what I would say to him that huge disadvantage of interactive brokers is that they have it has about $10 a month inactivity fee that you have to pay every single month, and it's a huge fee. Then they got options which are also not for free, and stocks and ETF also, which are not for free. WEBULL has no commission at all. So WEBULL got free options, free stocks, and free ETF. But interactive brokers has more markets and products to offer. So if you want to invest to more than just stocks and ETFs, interactive brokers is for you. Now, let's just start. The first thing, fees. As you can see right here, interactive brokers got, look at this, US stock, $1, UK, German, 7.2 and 4.4. Now, WEBULL is completely for free. This is a huge advantage. So if you want to do day trading, I would choose definitely WEBULL. Now, to go even further, options are also not for free. You can see right here, US stock index options 0.65 per contract. Again, WEBULL is completely for free. But in what way is interactive brokers better? In markets and products. They offer literally everything. Comparing to WEBULL, look at this. WEBULL has only stock, ETF and options. Interactive brokers has stock, ETF, forex, funds, bonds, futures, CFD and crypto. So you have plenty of things to choose from. They got also 13,000 and stock market 78 and ETF 13,000. That's extremely huge and extremely huge difference. But interactive brokers have the inactivity fee. So if you have below $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay $20. If you have above, you're gonna pay only $10. But if you have above 100K on your interactive brokers account, you're gonna pay $10 a month. Now, the fees are relatively okay in interactive brokers, but what I don't like also about interactive brokers is their mobile and desktop application, which is pretty worse comparing to WEBULL. And the design is hard to guess, hard to use. So this is something I personally don't prefer and like about interactive brokers. What you can also do and what you can try to do is to use TradeStation Global or TradeStation, and they got no fee at all, and they're directly connected to interactive brokers markets. So they got no fee of inactivity fee. So you're not going to pay those $10 a month. So in this way, what I would do is that if you want to go around the interactive brokers inactivity fee, I would use TradeStation. Now, to go further, research and education is much better comparing to WEBULL. Research and education is alright on WEBULL, but interactive brokers is completely dominating WEBULL. Customer service again is better in interactive brokers, but they don't have 24/7 support. But comparing to WEBULL, just read this. No live chat, slow telephone support, no answers to emails. The only way how we can contact them a lot is to use their app and just send a ticket to them. Now, safety, both those brokers are safe. Interactive brokers have been here for a really long time. WEBULL has up to 500K up to covered. And to bottom line, to summarize this whole brokers. So I would use interactive brokers if I want to invest to various markets. I would use WEBULL if I want to trade options, stock and ETF on stock and options on day trading, right? If I want to buy it on daily basis or weekly basis, I would go with WEBULL. Long-term investing into ETF, interactive brokers. Long-term investing into stocks, interactive brokers. Now, another thing, what I would do is that I would probably choose TradeStation. I made plenty of videos about TradeStation. And I would choose that comparing to interactive brokers because you don't have any inactivity fee. And that's something I like, I prefer. So yeah, that's probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.